Good morning. I hope I didn't miss all the birds eating. We even had a woodpecker out here when I was getting a cup of coffee. I don't know if you can see all those 4 windows together. That's all my kitchen. Or all in the kitchen. And you can see that right across from the island when you're doing dishes or prepping food or whatever. Sometimes I just lean up on the island and have a cup of coffee and watch the birds. But I'm out here with Peace. And he's in the outfit I changed him in yesterday. But I got his football socks that match the screen and the green on the snaps. So we thought we would come out today. Or I should say this morning. Before it got too hot, so let's look over here. Now if you can see the dark green coming up between those in the middle. They have gotten so much bigger. Last year they were not that tall. Of course, last year was the first year we planted those. So it was just what was bloomed from the store. I'm kind of shaking holding it that way. See if I can get better, sorry. I might have missed the birds. I just let the cat in and I thought, well good, they'll come and eat. But not seeing any. Hearing some people talking. I'm going to apologize ahead of time in case I sneeze. My nose is itching inside and I can feel the sneeze coming on. Woo! Sorry. Big old bumblebee. I hate bees. Oh, one of these days I will have a screened in porch area. I think with all the rain, they're eating what's all over the ground, so. I'll try not to freak out, but that bumblebee keeps going around. Must smell my lotion or something. Thinks I'm a flower. Ugh. Yep, farm equipment. think I can get a little closer. I don't know if you guys can hear him buzzing around. He's really making me want to not be by the flowers over here. Sorry, I was trying to film the bird. That's what I'm saying about, or what I said before about the lilies blooming one at a time. So we had that one that came up with some red. I don't see any more of that kind out there growing. So that's the only one that made it. But I have some other red ones that have blooms sticking up. They're the shorter leaves, the ones that are closer to the ground. The one that looks like a bunch of tall grass, I don't see any flower blooms starting on them yet. Or the ones with the giant leaves. I don't have those either. They'll be white. We got some birds fighting over here. I am zoomed in, but I don't think you can see it. They might have stopped. Anyway, we had a big blue jay. Came out here. I'm sorry, I rocked my chair. Just a while ago. And when he comes, all the others fly off. And he was a very large one. But the blue jays are known for fighting. And they'll fight with everything. And don't quote me on it, but I believe they're the birds that will bite the heads off of hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are so fast, I don't even know how to catch one, but, I guess they lurk and then get the hummer. I don't know. I'm going to wait for some birds and pause this because I'm already at 8 minutes. So, I think I should pause it. I'm so zoomed in. That's not going to work, is it, Peace? Here we go. I'm still zoomed in. Yep, I went the wrong way. Sorry, I don't think my morning coffee's working yet. Or it's just going to be one of those days. I do everything backwards. But I like him little football socks. They match. Match, match, match. I was hoping outside you could see his lashes, but just so cute. Okay, let me pause this, and I'll wait a little bit for some birds. Go ahead and zoom in. See if we can get some before I go back inside for more coffee. Well, I let Honey back out, so she must have had to go in the house, to use the litter box, maybe get a drink of fresh water, and eat some food, but positively to use the litter box. Because there is nowhere outside to go. You have to go use the litter box. But I didn't catch any more birds. They must be done with their morning feeding. I'm sorry. I did try to get the birds. But by the time I fed the girls their breakfast, well, Dottie and Rolly, you know, I think they were already finishing up. They're sweaty. Anyway, everybody have a great day. And I just wanted to share a little bit of, you know, daily dose of peace. And there we go. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember to enjoy your babies. What you're hearing is some birds. I don't think they're fighting. They're probably burgering, doing their mating rituals. Not for sure. So many leaves that kind of hiding them. I'm just gonna give you guys about a minute of listening to the birds. There's two on that dead tree. One on the feeder now. Two on the feeder. Three on the feeder.